Hello everybody with new credit card video, and today I'm gonna talk about AVB bank credit card, and I'm gonna talk about how to log in and how to apply for AVB bank credit card, and also I want to give you information about its benefits for its customers. Yes, firstly let's talk about the benefits of AVB Bank. So, uh, you can get travel accident insurance and baggage delay benefit. You can get car rental collision damage waiver, and you can get optional rewards. You can get price protection, extended warranty, purchase assurance, and also travel assistance and emergency services. So, among them, you can get outstanding rewards and concierge services. They are important benefits for credit card holders, I think. And let's talk about how to apply for AVB Bank credit card. As you see, I am on avb.com, sorry, avb.bank website, and avb.bank/personal/credit cards, and there is a menu button here. There are three lines, and I think it's a menu. Yes, but I will close it now because on the middle side of the page you can see apply now button, so you can apply for your consumer credit card. So let's click apply now button, and I think uh, it is a problem. So I'm gonna click again menu here. So personal, business and investment options and mortgage options, and your AVB options here. They are login options. So I will click personal and then personal credit cards here. So again, I am on the same page and I will check it again. So let's click need report, or let's click again apply now button, and I think there is a PDF file here, and then you need to fill this PDF file, and later you need to upload the complicated application form. It is an application form, so you need to print the blank PDF application form, and then you need to upload it for application. You can upload it by taking photo with your smartphone, or also you can use scanner for it. Yes, it's a bit different from other credit cards applications, but I think it's good. So uh, it may take longer, but it's okay, I think. Okay, see you, and thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.